guys, welcome to the next tutorial of the series Programming in R, and in this tutorial we will see how do we create data frames and how do we access the data frames. So the data frames is a kind of a table or a two-dimensional array like a structure in which the column contains the value of one variable and each row contains one set of values for each column. So data frames are the most important type of data objects in R, and most of the data analysis task is performed on R data frames. So let us now create the first data frame. Create the first data frame. So we will create a data frame. Let us create an employee data frame with the help of data, and we can create it with the help of data dot frame command, and here we will provide the various things, like we will provide the employee ID is equal to, let us create it to be a vector 1 to 5, and we will now provide the employer name, employer name, employer name, employer name, employer name, employer name, employee name, and we will now create another vector containing the names of the employees. Let us say Rick and Dan and Sam. Let's create another one, Dean, and let's create one more, Walter. So these are our employee names, and let us create one more column to be their salary, and this will also be, let us say his salary is 100, his salary is 123, his salary is 450, his salary is 750, his salary is 1200. So we have created three columns over here, and let us now print the data frame, employee data. So let us now run this command, and you can see that here we have created a data frame containing the three columns, employee ID, employee name, salary, and these are the 5 entries that we have provided it. So this is the way to create a very basic data frame in R. And now you can also create another column in this data frame with the help of the, first of all you will amp data, and with the help of dollar you can access the various columns. And now we will create another column that is called city. So we will create another column in the employee data frame with the help of dollar command, and let us create city column as well. So let us say that is from Delhi, is from Boston, is from London, let's say London, is from Beijing, and he's from Albuquerque. So we have created another city variable, and let us now again print the employee data and let us now run this. Let us now print the employee data, and let us see that we have created another variable, another column city, and let us now check it. Okay, so we need to change this command. Let us now run it again, and so here you can see that we have created another column in the data frame that is called city, and that is our data frame. So we can now do various operations on data frames. We can access the various. Let us now try to get the structure of our data frame, and we can do this with the help of str command, and so we can print the structure of the data frame. Let us now try to print it, and here you can see that the structure of the data frame, it contains 5 observations of 4 variables, and the employee ID is an int data type, employee name is factor which has 5 levels, and salary is numerical, and city is character. So these are the details that we have obtained with the help of structure command, and we can also get the other things like we can get the summary of the data frame with the help of summary command. So let us give the argument, and let us see what is the summary of the data frame. So here you can see that in the summary we have seen that the employee ID has the minimum number of entry to be 1, the maximum is 5, median is 3, and employee name, and we have obtained the descriptive statistics of salary, which is continuous variable, and you can see that the minimum is 100, maximum is 1200, and city length is 5, class is character. So these are the various details that we have obtained with the help of summary. And now let us try to extract data from the data frame, and we can extract the data from the data frame with the help of the commands. So let us extract specific columns from the data frame. Result is equal to data.frame and employee data dollar employee name, comma, employee data dollar salary. So now let us try to print the result. Let us see what is the outcome. So here you can see that we have created another data frame from the employee data frame, and the outcome is also a data frame because we have created it as a data frame. So this is the way to create a data frame and extract another data frame from the data frame. Now let us try to extract the first 2 rows of the data frame. So we can create this. Let us now try to create the first rows variable, and we can do this with the help of square braces, and employee data square braces. Just we want the first 2 rows, so we will give the first 2 rows, and we want all of the columns, so we can leave this part to be empty. And let us now try to print the first rows. So here you can see that we have obtained the first 2 rows of the employee data frame. So these are the various ways to define data frames and to access the various elements of the data frame, to rename the data frame. So this was the tutorial on data frames. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.